Keto Diet for Beginners Weight Loss Vegetarian. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Vegetarian Keto for Beginners. How to start your weight loss journey. In the world of fitness, a lot of people hope for a little weight loss along their journey. Whether you are planning to lose weight for health reasons or because you simply want to feel better about your body, the keto diet is proving to be an effective way to lose weight quickly. While this is true, the endless pictures of bacon can be a bit discouraging for a vegetarian. Many vegetarians think that they can't go on keto since so much of the marketing is built around meat, but that actually isn't true. In this article, we will discuss the staples of a vegetarian keto diet. Bring on the cheese. The difference between vegetarians and vegans generally comes down to one thing: cheese. Vegetarians, unlike their vegan counterparts, almost always consume dairy. While drinking milk isn't very keto-friendly, eating a ton of cheese is. Cheese is an encouraged staple for the keto diet. The best part is that you can eat cheese straight, add it to other keto meals for more flavor, or even make a delicious buttery grilled cheese with keto bread. Cheese is filled with all kinds of good fats, so feel free to splurge on some of your favorites. Add avocados to your daily meal planning. Avocados are another delicious way to get all kinds of healthy fats. They are the perfect addition to just about any keto meal and come with a wide collection of vitamins. You can add avocado slices to a salad to make it a little heartier, or even fry up some avocado for an amazing keto snack. This is one keto-approved vegetable that can help you to feel great and lose weight at the same time. Many people sub it into their favorite traditional keto recipes and use it as a replacement for the meat in a meal. It is a delicious and effective way to get those healthy fats in a meal that you will love. Lean on eggs. Since many vegetarians eat eggs, keto is a surprisingly good dietary fit. In fact, focusing more on eggs and cheese in your traditional vegetarian diet can help you to make the shift to keto much easier. Eggs are an excellent source of nutrients and completely keto-friendly. Any way that you can make an egg will benefit your keto diet. Boiled eggs make a great keto snack, but don't stop there. You can scramble your eggs with cheese, fry them up in butter, or add raw eggs to your favorite green smoothie. The more eggs, the better. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Pile on the greens. Though some vegetables are a strict no-no in the keto diet, most green vegetables are in the clear. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and cabbage are all great for a keto diet. Zucchini, broccoli, and peppers are also completely keto-friendly. While you won't be able to eat potatoes on keto, you might just forget when you're chowing down on cauliflower wings or cheesy broccoli. This is a great way to meet the keto requirements and get plenty of good nutrients at the same time. Use nuts for a quick snack. Nuts are often a point of confusion for keto dieters simply because of portions. Many people suggest that people using the keto diet should avoid nuts, but that isn't the case. Nuts can be high in fat and completely keto-friendly. However, you do need to use portion control with them since they can also have carbs. This is what makes nuts perfect for a keto snack. A small portion of nuts can give you lasting energy, good fats, and keep you in a reasonable carb range too. Embrace zoodles. Zoodles are a keto staple. Since traditional pasta is strictly forbidden in the keto world, it isn't surprising that people got right to work coming up with an alternative. Zoodles are made from zucchini and completely keto-friendly. These allow you to enjoy those dreamy cheese pasta dishes without having to ruin your carb load for the day. It is an excellent low-calorie option that allows you to keep your favorite dishes. The best part? It doesn't stop there. There are all kinds of veggie alternatives to noodles that are available in your local grocery store. Feel free to experiment to find your favorite veggie noodle. Use plenty of butter and oils. Butter and oil are the basis for almost every keto recipe that there is. What makes this great is that butter and oils can make your food absolutely pop with flavor. These staples are perfect for helping you to make amazing dishes that have the extra fat you need to fuel your keto diet. Choose oil-based salad dressings that are low in carbs, try frying up more foods for some added flavor, or add them to your coffee for a super boost of good fats. Don't forget the whipped cream. Whipped cream is a great source of fats, but make sure it's the real deal. Whipped cream is perfect for adding flavor to a midday keto snack, but it is even better for keto desserts. Whether you are scooping it onto some keto donuts or adding it on top of your favorite peanut butter mousse, the fact is that whipped cream can take your keto game to the next level. Don't worry, desserts are totally allowed with the keto diet as long as they are low in carbs. Conclusion. Many vegetarians are surprised to learn how close they already are to a keto diet. In most cases, the average person just has to lean more on vegetarian fatty foods like cheese, butter, eggs, and avocados. As long as you're filling up on good fats for your body, you will do great. Remember, there are plenty of keto-friendly alternatives to French fries, and it is always a good day to have an extra helping of keto desserts. Look online to explore the wide range of vegetarian keto recipes available and enjoy watching the weight just fall off. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Get more information here. HNON. Link Keto Diet.